Bhuj was practically invisible to international travelers until about 18 months ago. The textile hub in Gujarat's far northwest corner had thriving markets, centuries of history, and intricate embroidery traditions that could rival anywhere in South Asia. But it took a specific convergence of factors to put this city on the radar. Better flight connections from Mumbai, a restoration boom following the 2001 earthquake damage, and a sudden wave of Instagram posts from design enthusiasts and textile collectors changed everything. Now Bhuj is trending hard in 2026, and for good reason. The textile culture here runs deeper than most places. Wander through the old city and you'll find family-run workshops where artisans still hand-block print fabric using techniques passed down through generations. The Ada Mahal Palace, a stunning 18th century structure with mirrored rooms and intricate tilework, sits at the heart of the city. Markets here move at their own pace. Vendors sell everything from traditional bandhani tie-dye to contemporary designer pieces, and haggling is expected. Accommodation options have expanded dramatically, with heritage homestays and boutique hotels opening alongside budget guest houses. Prices remain reasonable compared to Rajasthan's tourist corridor, so your money stretches further. What makes Bhuj particularly attractive right now is that it still feels like a working city rather than a museum. You'll see local families shopping at the bazaar, not tour groups following guides with umbrellas. The food scene is genuinely good, with dhokla and khichdi as local staples and countless small eateries serving regional Gujarati cuisine. Day trips lead to the Ran of Kutch salt flats and nearby craft villages. The energy is authentic in a way that feels increasingly rare. That said, authentic experiences often come with trade-offs. Bhuj is crowded now, with infrastructure straining under sudden tourist interest. Streets clog with visitors during peak season, and that textile workshop you wanted to photograph quietly has turned into a photo opportunity station. If you crave the genuine article without the crowds, Comoros in the Indian Ocean offers what Bhuj once had: unspoiled beaches, untouched culture, and accommodation costs about 40% lower. Diving there rivals the Indian subcontinent, and you'll encounter far fewer travelers. For the real hidden gem experience, island life beats the trending city.